Tired of being told you have to wake up at 5 a.m., eat air, and run marathons just to lose a few pounds? Yeah, so are we. Let's be honest. Most diet and fitness plans are built for people with personal trainers, private chefs, or zero responsibilities. But what about the rest of us? The tired, the busy, the beautifully lazy? That's why we created the Lazy Guide to Weight Loss, a simple, no-shame approach to losing weight that doesn't require you to flip your entire life upside down. This is weight loss for real people who like food, hate stress, and still want results. Inside, you'll find 1. The truth about dieting and exercise, and how to make both less painful. 2. How coffee and tea can actually support your weight loss goals. 3. A flexible, doable plan that you can actually stick to. 4. Easy wins, smart swaps, and no crazy restrictions. 5. A system that works for your energy, not against it. You don't need to suffer to lose weight. You just need a guide that respects your lifestyle and works with it. Click the link below and grab your copy of Lazy Guide to Weight Loss. Start where you are, do what you can, and still get the results you want.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.